How's it going, YouTube? This is Alex coming at you for TVape TV with the top 5 wax pens of 2019. Without further ado, let's get into it. Sitting at our number 1 spot, the Utillian 5 offers those who love wax a rugged, efficient workhorse with 4 temperature settings, 2 different impressive coils, and a massive 1050 mAh battery to keep you going all day long. Both coils give excellent flavor on lower temperatures and massive clouds on higher temperatures. The dual twisted canthal and triple quartz coil are both wrapped around black ceramic for superior wicking, and they really take your flavor to the next level, providing some of the tastiest hits we've ever had. It is sturdy, sleek, and fits in any pocket. It truly is a versatile, well-built wax machine, and that's exactly why it takes our number 1 spot. Coming in at number 2, we have the Linx Blaze. Linx has a long line of excellent devices, and the Blaze is no exception. This small wax pen fits in your hand or pocket well, and so does the nifty carrying case it comes in. Any flavor-chasing connoisseurs will be satisfied, as the flavor is definitively top-notch. Both atomizers are fantastic. The Ace atomizer is a quartz bucket with a pancake-style coil for pure flavor, and the Zero is a retrofit of the original Zero atomizer that provides good flavor and decent clouds. If that's not enough for you, the Blaze has a 900 mAh battery that will last you most of the day, and a premium finish that just looks good. The coil heats up almost instantly, the draw resistance is excellent, and the flavor seals the Blaze's place as our number 2 choice. Coming in at number 3, the Aries is a very unique wax pen. It is a honey straw, meaning that you can use this unit like a straw to suck up your wax. The Aries just looks great, with a sleek stainless steel design that makes this unit look like a pen when not in use. The best part about the Aries is that you don't have to load it, which is the biggest hassle for most wax pens. At the low temperature, the flavor is great, and at the higher, the clouds are massive. It is truly a unique wax pen, and definitely holds the number 3 spot strongly. Say what you will about the design of the Source Orb 4, but it takes our number 4 spot easily over the rest of the competition. 10 atomizers, let me say that again, 10 atomizers allow you the most customizable session of any wax pen on the market. It also contains a box mod that allows for precise temperature selection to further customize your session. The Source Orb 4 is a premium piece of hardware, and you can feel it when you pick it up. Source uses grade 1 titanium for its coils, one of the best materials to use for a heating element. It's clear Source cares about their products and their users, as this might be the most versatile wax pen on the market, and definitely seals its spot at number 4. Coming in at number 5, the Hypnos Zero is by far one of the best looking wax pens we have had the pleasure of trying. It has 4 temperature settings to customize your clouds and flavor. The ceramic heating chamber and atomizer really bring out the flavor of your wax. At higher temperatures, the cloud production isn't the greatest, but that is traded off with great tasting vapor, even at those higher temperatures. The stainless steel build complements the rest of my electronics at home, albeit an awful thing to film. The Hypnos Zero is perfectly sized and is fully concealed by your hand. So, if you like super tasty wax sessions on the go, the Hypnos Zero is a great pickup and definitely deserving of our number 5 spot. We just wanted to give a shout out to our favorite desktop wax units. Focus V has been in the game for a long time, and their long-standing, well-machined Tourist is a clear indication of why. It is able to handle both dry herb and concentrates because it actually comes with a different attachment for each method. It has precise temperature control from 90 to 240 degrees Celsius for dry herb, and between 260 and 450 degrees Celsius for wax, giving users a wide range to work with when enjoying either setting. The Tourist comes with a water filter attachment for both attachments that really helps with the quality of your vapor as well. Flavor from the Tourist is really impressive, and the fact that the nail is real titanium solidifies it as a great desktop wax unit. Focus V saw a hole in the market of premium e-rigs and filled it nicely. This beautifully constructed desktop wax unit has 4 temperature settings, water filtration, and fantastic hits. The water does a great job of cooling down your vapor before it reaches your lungs, adding to the flavor of your wax. Keep your loads to rice grain size, however, as it does get bogged down with larger loads. The glass top fits snugly, and the whole thing just feels premium. It is simple to use, elegant, and overall user experience is top notch. And that's why we love the Focus V Carta. And that's it for this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please tap that like button. If you really enjoyed it, hit subscribe. If you'd like to see a different video, if you think I missed anything, throw it down in the comments below. Until next time, my name's Alex, and for all you connoisseurs out there, keep vaping.